2015 3-ton. Fairly new Heil air conditioner. It's already starting to develop some rust here. Very quiet. Here we have a Lennox. Another Lennox. There's a Copeland. And here we have another brand new Heil. Copeland scroll compressor. This one's running. $1995, 2.5 ton. Let's see the date on this new Heil here. Oh, this is from 2018 and it is a 3-ton. So this thing is brand new. And it's, weirdly enough, got an LG compressor. And then we have some more down here. We have a thermal zone. 2013 3-ton or 5-ton, I can't really tell. And then right here we have a Lennox total comfort system. Yeah, we're on like a farm in Windham. Here we have 2 Heils. High efficiency, 5,000. These are older. And it has a huge Copeland compressor. Not sure if it's a recip. I can't really see with the louvered fan grill. Straight cool unit. I'll read the data later. Another one. So yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.